Good day to you, fellow Tipicians, and good day to you, very, very good people of the world. I am by name Arowolo Y.I. I am a Nigerian and a Tipician. I'm here again this year to present another Kringle Private Community Life broadcast number 37. I said Kringle Private Community Life broadcast number 37, and it is titled Hope all Tipicians are ready for year 2019. Hope all Tipicians are ready for year 2019. Many of us have on very many occasions been opportune to transform our life and experiences. So many people have come our way. Many occasions have arisen. Many situations have developed with great potentials for our promotion, for our transformation and great success, but we are able to convert all these opportunities simply because we are not ready. People come into our life with all it takes to help you, to support you, to finance you, to recommend you, and invest in you. They come, they see you, they interact with you, they have all you need, but they never release it to you because they can see that you are not ready. Through many people in this life, love had come to you. It has come to your way. Friendship had come your way. Marriage had come. Care had come. Attention had come your way. Help had come your way. Favor had come your way. Job has come your way. Connection had come your way. Career opportunity had come your way. Many things in life had come your way. Occasion of arising in your family, in your community, in your locality. Occasion of arising in your nation, within your industry, within your organization and team, for you to be noticed, for you to be elevated, for you to be promoted, for you to be recognized, for you to be celebrated and appreciated. But you were not ready and you missed everything. Situation that developed that perfectly favored you. Your dreams, gifts, your potentials, your journey and destination in life. But you missed everything because you were not ready. Many of us today are complaining and lamenting about how tough things are and how difficult life is on a daily basis. Life keep offering us a lifeline through people, through situation, through occasion, and we never gain or benefit because we are not ready. The greatest key to success in life is preparation. Opportunity comes to all again, and again. The difference, however, between the successful and the unsuccessful is quality of their preparation. To win in life, to win in life, to gain or benefit anything in this life, you need to be physically, to be mentally, to be emotionally and psychologically prepared. The edge of great achiever in life is the level and quality of their preparation. What separates the superstar from the ordinary star is quality of preparation. What separates ordinary star from regular people is the level of preparation. The secret of what many term good luck in this life is the quality of preparation. It is very, very difficult to fail an exam if you prepare very well and adequately for it. It is very, very difficult to fail in marriage if you prepare emotionally, psychologically, and intelligently for it. It is very difficult to fail in business if you prepare intellectually, psychologically, emotionally, and adequately for it. The head of the really great and respected and the outstanding is that they take enough time to prepare more than the average person. Regular, everyday people always attempt to get by with minimum preparation. Many regular people are not painstaking in preparation. They prepare because they only need to, not because they want to. They really don't want to be excellent in preparation. They just want to get by in preparation. Yet expect the best and most excellent return in reward. Obviously, no one is born into this world with anything. I must declare that sincerely. No one is born into this world with anything. All that we want and need, we must earn and acquire. We must engage life appropriately and effectively before life rewards us with all we want and need. Love is earned. Attention is earned. Respect is earned. A good friend is earned. A good marriage, successful business is earned. And a great life even is earned. To earn anything in life, you must prepare adequately and correctly for it. Life does not give. Let me submit. Life does not give. Life only rewards. It is your activities that is rewarded by life. Anything you obtain without earning cannot endure. You will eventually lose it and all attended benefits. To earn anything in life, however, you must be ready. The ability to earn is not only a matter of age. It is not a matter of age, let me submit, but equally a matter of state. The state you are in, your emotional, your psychological, your intellectual, and even physical state or condition will determine if you are ready to receive from life. How prepared you are is usually evident to everyone around you and also shown by your expression and result. Many of us are usually carried away by the excitement, fun, and thrill of a reward and benefit we refuse to prepare adequately for. Many employees are too excited and thrilled by their employment type, by their salary, allowances, perk, and entitlement fill their hearts and dominate their thoughts. They forget to pay due attention to the real reason for their employment, their job, and eventually get fired. Many business people are too engrossed in the possibility of making millions from their business venture. They hardly give themselves to continuous learning and development. They don't grow along with the business and eventually they lose capacity and relevance and they soon get out of business. Dear listener, today is another day. Tomorrow is equally another day. Next week is another week, and you are in another month, which is this new year, filled with great opportunity, true people, through situation, through occasion and circumstances. How ready are you, my dear Tibician, for all these opportunities I've mentioned? How prepared are you to take them? What you don't pursue, you can't never apprehend. And what you don't position for, you can't hardly encounter. In line with what our admin presented in the blog, which any serious division should try and look into, adhere into, and adequately utilize. All these are for our betterment. What you don't pursue, I repeat again, you can never apprehend. And what you don't position for, you can hardly encounter. Dear listener, once more, what is that thing you want? What is that thing you hope for? What is that thing you want to have? What is that thing you want to gain and you don't want to miss? You need to adequately prepare for it. You need to do your homework thoroughly. You need to do your homework, I repeat, thoroughly. Real glory is manufactured behind the scene, but displayed in the presence of all. Having, I said, real glory is manufactured behind the screen, but displayed in the presence of all. The quality and magnitude of your glory depends on the quality and effort you put in to your preparation behind the screen. Don't go display out there until you are done preparing hard behind closed door. Your confidence and real glory is revealed in your details. The trap is in the details. The devil is in the detail. Great success is in paying attention to the detail. The things you miss behind the screen are the things that disqualify you on the big stage. Painstaking preparation and homework will make you notice and watch out for the detail. One fact, one inaccuracy can make a huge difference. As an analog, elephants don't bite, mosquito do bite. Mosquito have killed more people in the world than elephants. Everyone easily see the elephant because it is big. It is very easy to miss the mosquito. Action without information and quality thinking is the cause of every failure. Taking action before thinking through the detail cause most failure in life. Many, however, find it extraordinarily hard thinking through before taking action because we are accustomed to last-minute preparation and rush. Sadly, it is the restriction on our ability to deliver excellently well. Dear listener, think through, especially this year 2019. Think on time, prepare adequately, prepare thoroughly. Prepare adequately, prepare thoroughly. Pay attention to detail. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready? That is my question to people of our community. As Tibican, are you ready? There is no doubt in in my own mind though, that you, our people, fellow Tibician, you are fully ready. We are all adequately prepared for this year 2019, and God's willing, we shall definitely succeed. Success is ours and we shall definitely succeed. How do you make your clients and customers spend more this year? You merchants, as you continue to register, because Registration commences about few days ago for our merchants on this TBC. May God bless each and every one of you. May He give us all it needs to scale through, to succeed in this our mission. I wouldn't like to take much of your time for this broadcast, as I wish to rest my case here until we meet again for another broadcast of mine, which will come up shortly in due course. In due course it will come up. So let me say bye bye to each and every one of you until we meet again. God bless, God bless, God bless, God bless, and God bless. Thank you so much for listening. May God be our guide. Thank you. Bye bye.